Okay, I'm going to show you in this video how to create a scatter plot. So I've already, created a new sheet in my spreadsheet, and I've got the country, the percent of the labor force represented by females, and then the percent of female billionaires in that country. So I'm going to select these two, and I'll go to this charts tab here, and I'm going to create a scatter plot. So I'm just going to do a marked scatter because I don't know if there's any connections yet. And so I have along this axis here, it's going to be the percent of females in the workforce, and then these dots or the y-axis are representing the value, the percentage of female billionaires. So this chart, it's not going to be something that you're probably going to present in your actual presentation, like your blog post, your project, but it does show you that there is sort of a general upward trend, and we don't know if it's necessarily statistically significant. But since this isn't a statistics class, that's not really what I'm looking for. But I am looking for you to find something that's actually a trend. So it's really only interesting if you present this data. If it actually has any trend. If this is just random with like plots all over the place, that would not be really interesting. But you can see that, oh, hey, actually there is a bit of a trend. It's not perfect, but it's not like all over the place. It's definitely, going a little bit up. And so you can do this not only with what you're looking at, but if there's something else you're interested in determining whether or not there is any sort of trend or pattern, you might do a scatter plot before you actually create your chart to see if there is anything actually going on, or if it's just, if these numbers aren't related. Now, I should say that just because it's going up and there does seem to be like a slight trend, that doesn't mean that one is causing the other. So it doesn't mean that because there are, a higher percentage of females in the workforce that makes more billionaires. We just know that there's some sort of relationship here. So this will kind of, a scatter plot helps you determine if there's anything worth pursuing.